So hello guys, I just got home from work. What day today? Sunday, right, honey? Today is Sunday. So we're gonna go for walk. Going to 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven's really close to my house. 10 minutes walk. So yeah. So ayun guys, kauwi ko lang galing sa trabaho. Sunday ngayon guys. So, busy. A lot of things to do. So, I am using my phone right now, guys. The phone that I just got. Like, how many days already? Like, let's see, 3 days already since I got my new phone. So, I'm just trying to use my phone. If is it okay for vlogging, because if it's fine for vlogging, I might be using my phone vlogging outside because it's easy to carry. It's not really, what do you call it, obvious, because if if I bring my camera, it's a little bit like heavier and big, so it's obvious when holding it and like talking to the camera. Some people like kind of like looking you weird, so I'm just trying my phone. We'll see if it look like. So ayun guys, so try natin yung phone na to kung maganda pa siyang pang-vlog. Gabi ngayon guys, anong oras na ngayon? What time is it, honey? 10:37 p.m. already. Are we going to 7-Eleven, honey?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to 7-Eleven. I'm gonna take you guys go to 7-Eleven. And yeah, on my back store. So ayun guys, I am using Samsung S9.
Galaxy S.
Okay. Dan said I am using Samsung Galaxy S9. So no, I think it's look fine. The quality is looks. And by the way guys, I'm using the front camera for this videos. Ito pala guys yung ginagamit kong lipstick, yung paborito kong lipstick na ginagamit ko. Ito yung ginagamit ko, yung 115 Founder, yung shades niya. Ewan ko kung mag-focus siya. Yeah. Yan. Tapos bumili pa ako ng isa kasi maganda nga siya. Nag-stay siya ng last. So, ito yung pangalawang binili ko. 117 ground founder. I can't read it anymore. My eyes is getting worst. I don't know, it's like dust focus. And this is how it look like guys. Yan. Medyo madumi nga lang, kailangan kong linisan yung mga wala kong tayo maglinis. So dalawa yung shades na meron ako. Ito yung palagi kong ginagamit. Ito yung nasa lips ko ngayon. So, yes. I don't have a cash in my wallet, so I don't use cash.
Then I made him feel bad.
What?
It was just like, I'll take your debit card. And I'm like, nah, all those thousands are mine.
Yeah, I don't use cash anyways. That's why I don't, until now, I don't know how to, no, I know how to count the pennies, the quarter.
It's the exact same as pesos.
I know, but I'm still confused sometimes.
It's actually easier because we have less coins. We only have 4.
Yeah, I know, but I'm still confused sometimes because I never use cash.
How many Filipino coins are there?
Oh, we have so many, honey. 10, 5, 1, 10 cents, 5
Just
cents.
start with centavos.
Oh, I can't say it all. There's a lot.
You got ones.
1 cent, 2 cents, 3
There's
cents.
2-cent coins.
Yes, I think. Right? Comment down below. I have no idea, guys. Like I forgot. I only remember like we have 10 pesos, 5 pesos, 1 pesos. Actually, I don't know if it still exists. 2 pesos. I don't know. But we do have that. 1 cent, 10 cents, 5 cents. I think. I don't know, but yeah, I'm still confused, guys,
Philippine coinage.
about the pennies over here. because I don't use the cash at all. So
Wikipedia tells you everything.
I use all the time my card, my
Okay,
debit
circulating
card.
coins.
So no idea.
Okay, so it
But
says new set of coins.
I
and
learned
notes.
how to count monies here, which is funny because I don't know about monies here. So I start like learning how to do cashier at work. So that's the start. That's how I start learning counting money. I have to count it slowly and give to the customer their change. Make sure I count it right because I'm not confused about the paper. Like it's easy, the $100 how many $1 is not it's easy for me, but it when it comes to the quarter, what else, honey? Pennies, dime, and
N-
quarter, pennies, dime, nickel.
There you go.
So I'm confused about those guys. Until now, I still confuse sometimes, but sometimes I know, sometimes I forgot. So I never use cash, guys. I always use my card. So I gotta use card so I cash so that I know how to count money here. Ang ganda talaga guys ng lipstick. So hold on, wait for me. So I have here this card. It's like I think I win a $1 for this. So we'll try. If it's not expired yet, I'm gonna switch it for another same card like this. So let's go guys. Punta tayo sa 7-Eleven.
Leaving you.
It's dark.
Yeah.
Do you have a key, honey?
Yep.
Okay, I'm not locking it anyways. It's cold, guys. It's
nice.
cold.
It's gorgeous out.
And it's dark. I guess see you later, guys. You cannot see me anyways. It's cold.
What? Yeah, I like these. I'll take one.
Nandito na kami guys sa 7-Eleven. Hi. Where do you got? Oh, that's cold. You got a mango. His favorite drink. Mango.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. So I don't think so. I'm getting anything. I'm good. I still have fruits and snacks at home, so I'm just gonna get a bingo now, guys.
Go do your lottery.
Yeah, I'll
Well,
wait
against
for you.
vouchers.
No, I'll wait for you.
Not doing anything. You can do it.
No,
Don't be shy.
I'll wait. Don't be shy. I'll wait. Which one I got? Oh, we have to look on it. Which one is better, right? She's getting nachos, guys. So this is how it's look like 7-Eleven over here.
They changed their cheese. It's better now.
It's better now. Because he always got a nachos all the time here.
All the time.
What do you say?
Like 5 times a year.
So, yes, guys. I think my camera is okay. So I definitely like use it all the time. Taking my
Now that's
Phone.
real all the time.
taking my phone, vlogging outside because it's easy. Look at that, guys. It's like ooh. Hello, guys. Kumukuha lang si Danang nachos, guys. Ayun. That's a lot, honey.
Yeah, it seems like it. But I think I'll eat it all.
So we're getting a bingo. We're getting a bingo. We'll see it's not expired yet. Can you help me to pick one, please?
I'm
honey?
gonna play bingo's. Well,
I don't know,
card.
is it expired
bingo's
yet?
gonna go through cash. I doubt it. They're good for what, like 6 months?
Ito guys yung itsura ng 7-Eleven dito. Malaki siya. I'm feeling hindi nahihiya. Sige, dito.
That's an expired one. I'm like, when the hell did it expire? And I look it up. It's a girl. And she's also got some cashews hiding.
No, I don't.
Did I take it back? I did. The 11 towards cards. That's her hobby.
Yes, I'm getting
And then
bingo.
Because I have to use cash for that, and I'll do this on hobby.
So what cards?
Bingo. I want
Free
bingo,
day.
so I'm getting these guys. The number 3.
That's $8.
Yes.
That'll be up.
This is I'm gonna play bingo, guys.
Should be nice. Sure.
This one, huh? Yay.
Yep.
It's
If you win $50, it's mine.
no, that's mine. I got these guys. I'm gonna play with it later. So guys, pauwi na kami. Yeah, we're heading home. And it's chilly. Really, how like the temperature is like 70, 55. It's cold, guys.
It's like 68.
68. Okay, it's cold, guys,
But
but
it's humid, so it feels a little more like 65.
I'm cold. He's not cold. I'm cold already for
Oh, I could
68.
sleep in the grass if it wasn't wet.
Yeah, so. Oh, I like the phone using for vlogging outside. It's easy. So yes, guys. I guess gonna enjoy walking, and it's raining a little bit right now,
I don't feel it.
and I feel it. And I guess see you when we get home, guys. Ooh, it's dark. Guys, nasa bahay na pala kami. Ooh, taking off my shoes now. So I got 2 card for $1 to play with. I love playing bingos, guys. So I got the 3 1 2 3. I got 3 cards for $3, the special bingo. So I got 3, so I'm gonna enjoy playing with this, and I'll let you know, guys, if I win $1 million. Just kidding. Oh, by the way, guys, 3 cards at $3 each. It's like clearing, guys, so that you're not confused. So these 3 cards is $1 each. So yes, I'm gonna play with it.